super insane. So keep watching the video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly to download it. It totally works. Super cool. What's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Disney Plus for free. So what you have to do is go to ogsnags.com and type in Disney. And as you can see, it says Disney Plus promo codes. So go ahead and press show coupon code and it's going to generate you a code. So once it generates your code, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press the button that says get full code. So now we're on the last step, which is the verification. So you just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So like DraftKings, Match to Win says down and reach level 11. So it's pretty easy. So just make sure you do 2 of them. They're all very simple. So like I would just play through it. And then I would reach level 11, and then I would get the free Disney Plus. So be sure to try this out, guys. Also, if you type in like Disney Plus cost, you can see it's really expensive. So as you can see, it's around $11 a month, which is too much for me. So if you guys do want to get it for free, make sure you check out ogsnags.com. And also, I want you guys to make sure you go to settings and keep that background app refresh on while you're doing this tutorial. But yeah, these apps will vary depending on what country you're in. I'm in the US, so these are the ones that show up for me. But just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. So like Lucky Match, reach level 13. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later, but I hope you found this video useful, because a lot of people do not know how to do this, and that's why I made the guide. Because I really want to help people understand that you can get Disney Plus for free. Because a lot of people think that you have to pay for it, which is just kind of backwards thinking in this day and age. The truth of the matter is, it is now 2026, and we can get Disney Plus for free. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get free Disney Plus right away. So be sure to try it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, super cool. And it fully works, guys, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another one. But yeah, I don't really do videos anymore, but this is just an incredible method, so I had to share it with you guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, so if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and tell your friends about it. It's really cool. So yeah, if this method works, I want 10 likes on the video, okay? 10 likes. So that's what I'm aiming for here. A video that provides a real Disney Plus free subscription method, and it's legit. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yes, it's super cool, and it fully works. So I hope you found it useful. I'm personally someone that's always on the hunt for free Disney Plus method, and this is the best method in my opinion. So I would encourage you to try it right now so you can get free Disney Plus. So yeah, super cool. So there you go, guys. ogsnags.com. That's the website you got to visit to get free Disney Plus. So I hope you found it useful. Personally, I don't really know a lot of sites like this, so I think this is the best one. So yeah, super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting free Disney Plus, because I'm going to make another video in the future eventually. So yeah, super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. I'm always trying to help you guys out, so I feel like a lot of you are going to benefit from this video. But yeah, I'm going to see you in another one. So if you want to see more, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, super crazy. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and peace out.